solve some rational expressions. We're given here 5a squared over 12 plus 7a over 8. So the first thing we do here in solving rational expressions and fractions, we need to find the LCD. So the LCD is the smallest number that can divide both the denominators of the fractions. In cases where we cannot find the LCD, like a whole number, as a whole number, then we just have to multiply both the denominators. So in this case, our denominators for the two fractions are 12 and 8, so we can find the smallest number that can divide both 12 and 8, and we can divide 24. We can use 24 as our LCD here. So our LCD is 24. Okay, so 24 divided by 12 is 2, and 2 times 5a squared r numerator, and then we copy the operator sign, which is plus, and then we do the same process to the second expression, 7a over 8. So 24 divided by 8 is 3, then 3 times 7a, and now we can simplify the numerator. So this is 2 times 5a is 10a squared plus 21a over 24. Then we can further simplify this. A is common here, we can factor out a. Okay, so our final answer is a times 10a plus 21 over 24. Okay, let's solve another problem here. We have 7 over x minus 2 minus 6 over x minus 4. So in this case, we cannot find a whole number as our LCD. So we just have to multiply our denominators. So we multiply x minus 2 and x minus 4. So this is our LCD. Then we divide this one divided by x minus 2. So that is x minus 2 times x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. X minus 2 cancels out. So we are left with x minus 4. So that is x minus 4 times our numerator, which is 7. And then we copy the operator sign, which is minus. Then we do the same thing with the second expression, which is 6 over x minus 4. So that is x minus 2 times x minus 4 divided by x minus 4. So x minus 4 cancels out, so we are left with x minus 2 and multiplied by our numerator, which is 6. And now we can simplify our numerators. That this is, we distribute 7 to the expression inside the parentheses. So that is 7 times x minus 7 times 4. Okay, minus 6 times x minus negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. So will be plus 12 over x minus 2 times x minus 4. Then I just have to delete this. Okay, now we can simplify the numerator further. We group like terms. So 7x minus 6x, that is just x. Negative 28 plus 12, that is 16. Negative 16 over x minus 2 times x minus 4. So this is our final answer. So let's try another problem here. So we have 3 over a minus 2 plus 2 over 2 minus a. Again, we cannot find an LCD, which is a whole number, so we just have to multiply both the denominators. So that is a minus 2 times 2 minus a, and then we divide a minus 2 times 2 minus a by the denominator of the first rational expression, which is a minus 2, and then a minus 2 cancels out, so we are left with 2 minus a times our numerator, which is 3. Copy the operator sign, which is plus. Then we do the same thing with the second rational expression, so that is a minus 2 times 2 minus a over 2 minus a, and 2 minus a cancels out, so we are left with a minus 2 times our numerator, which is 2. And now we can simplify the numerator. We just distribute 3 to the expression inside the parenthesis, which is 2 minus a, so that is 3 times 2 is 6 minus 3a plus 2 times a is 2a. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 over a minus 2 times 2 minus a. Then let's simplify further our numerator. So we can group like terms. 6 minus 4, that is 2. Negative 3a plus 2a is just negative a over a minus 2 times 2 minus a, and 2 minus a cancels out here, so we're left with 1 over a minus 2. So 1 over a minus 2 is our final answer. Then, okay, let's solve another problem here. We have 4 over x squared minus 4x minus 5 plus 2 over x squared minus x. So again, we can we multiply our denominators. So our LCD is x squared minus 4x minus 5 times x squared minus x. Then we divide this like what we did previously in those two previous problems. So we have x squared minus 4x minus 5 times x squared minus x divided by the denominator of the first expression, that is x squared minus 4x minus 5. So this cancels out, so we're left with x squared minus x times our numerator, which is 4, and then we just copy the operator sign, which is plus. And then we do the same thing with the second expression. So that is x squared minus 4x minus 5 times x squared minus x divided by x squared minus x. So this cancels out. So we are left with x squared minus 4x minus 5 times the numerator, which is 2. So let me just delete this. So let's simplify our numerator by distributing 4 and 2. So 4 times x squared, that is 4x squared minus 4x plus 2x squared minus 8x minus 10 over x squared minus 4x minus 5 times x squared minus x. Then we can simplify our numerator further by grouping like terms. So 4x squared goes with 2x squared. So that is 4x squared plus 2x squared, 6x squared. And negative 4x minus 8x is negative 12x. And minus 10. Okay, divided by x squared minus 4x minus 5 times x squared minus x. Now we can simplify further both our numerator and denominator. So for our numerator, we can extract the common number there, which is 2. So we can write this as 2 times 3x squared minus 6x minus 5. Then we can factor x squared minus 4x minus 5. So that is x minus 5 times x plus 1. And then we can write x squared minus x as x times x minus 1. Okay, so this is our final answer.